Alright, today is dig out day. So I'm going to get started, see where we end up. Alright, I dug out the first shelf. Heaps more dirt than I expected. But anyway, we'll keep building the berm. And now I'm going to move on to, I'm going to have 2 more shelves. So from the courtyard here, I want to sort of have some steps that go down. And then that middle section's going to be nice and deep for the fish. Alright, I'll keep going. Second shelf in. 1 more to go. Should be good. Plenty of dirt. Alright, there we go. Dig out's done. I'm annihilated. That was a lot more dirt than I was hoping for. A lot of that's going to have to get carted away in a skip. But it's done. Took about 4 hours. So it's not bad, but I'm going to be sore tomorrow. Anyway, time to order the liner and some rocks, I guess. Stay tuned for part 3.